Hello, my name is Cheryl Harmony, but you can call me Cheryl. My presence here today to giving a speech is not likely, and I know it, but today I'm going to give a speech for the 2019 presidential election. And for my speech today, I'm going to talk about the education in our country. First of all, the concern that I have for our country's education is about what they bring to school. I've counted how much weight our bag is, and it's about 8 to 9 kilograms. And for my concern is that it's too heavy for the kid at young age to bring those bags to school. So the solution for that I think every school needs to have a locker for their students, so that in school it will be more convenience for them to go to every class and bring only the book that they have to bring to that class. And also for they go to home, they can only bring the book for homework, so they don't have to bring those big bags that is not good for their growth. And also the next is that I want to say the next concern about the education is that every kid in school have their own specialty, have their own abilities, and the concern is that the teachers and some parents are pushing them to give it to be the number one, the top one on their class, even though in that class it's not their capability to do what they're being pushed on. So the solution for that is that I think those kids needs to be more open-wide, to be more open-minded, so that they can learn not just from school but anywhere outside from school and home. And now I'm going to talk about those kids needs to learn about regulation from a young age, so that they will be used to those regulations and they will make our country later a better country, much more better, and also they will have a better future later on. And for the example is that those kids can queue at the right order, and for the future they can be patient, they can be more patient, and they can honor others, and they can appreciate other people also. And for the next example is that they can treat trash, they can throw trash at the right place and not litter everywhere, so that the community can be cleaner and healthier, and there will be no flood in our country. The next issue I want to talk about is one of the biggest issue in our country, and that issue is about corruption. A lot of corruption is from our civil servant, and the concern is that our civil servant have special treatment from the government, which is not a good thing, and those civil servants needs to be punished equally as other corruptors out there, and not make them have a special treatment in jail that make those corruptors like number one in their jail. And next, I'm gonna make strict rules for the civil servant around their working environment, and hopefully they will work more efficiently, no cheating, and also more responsibility. And now, if you pick me to be your president, and hopefully I will make this country a better place. Thank you.